What can be inferred about the Card and Kruger study and Rich's opinion? Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, they corroborate each other. The second paragraph mentions the Card and Kruger study and says that the change in minimum wage law appeared to have practically no effect. Also, the third paragraph mentions Rich's conclusion that raising the minimum wage to $15 would affect only 3,000 jobs, which is about 0.2% of overall employment. So it can be inferred that both Card and Kruger study and Rich believe that increasing the minimum wage of employment will have very little impact on employment levels. In other words, they corroborate each other. A good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice B, stimulation of urban economy. The third paragraph refers to the opinion of Michael Rich and says that the overall demand for goods and services would be higher because of the increase in minimum wage. So this aspect regarding stimulation of urban economy is mentioned in the context of Rich's opinion, but this aspect is not mentioned in the context of Card and Kruger study. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C, they should not be compared. The passage makes no suggestion regarding whether this study and this opinion should be compared. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice D, they oppose each other. The third paragraph says that Rich concluded that raising the minimum wage had only a 0.2% impact on the employment level. Also, the second paragraph mentions that Card and Kruger found that the change in minimum wage law appeared to have practically no effect. So it can be inferred that the Card and Kruger study as well as Rich's opinion align with each other and do not oppose each other as suggested in this answer choice. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E, they are distinctive in their view. The second paragraph mentions that scores of studies have broadly confirmed the duo's findings. So it can be inferred that other studies corroborate the findings of Card and Kruger. So it is incorrect to state that Card and Kruger's findings are distinctive. Also, Rich's opinion aligns with Card and Kruger study. So that opinion is also not distinctive. So overall, this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. A is the correct answer choice.